Prometheus is a free and open source solution for monitoring metrics, events, and alerts. It collects and records metrics from servers, containers, and applications. In addition to providing a flexible query language known as PromQL and powerful visualization tools, it also provides an alerting mechanism that sends notifications when needed. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up Prometheus on a Linux Ubuntu server in just a few simple steps. Before we begin, let's take a look at an overview of the steps covered in this guide. First, I'll show you how to connect to the Ubuntu server over an SSH connection. Then I'll show you how to create the Prometheus installation bash script. Then I'll show you how to run the script and complete the Prometheus post-installation setup. So let's begin. So I've already set up a virtual machine and I'm going to open up the SSH connection. So run the command ssh administrator at the IP address for the server. Your username may be different depending on what you have configured on the server. So I'm just going to execute command sudo su to elevate my access to the root user. So once I've gained access to the root user, I'm just going to run the apt update command to update the system repository. This should take about a minute or so depending on the performance of your internet connection as well as the server itself. So I'm going to create a new file named prometheus.sh, and in this file I'm going to paste in the script that I've already prepared. So you can actually access this script from the video description. So I'm going to press Ctrl+O, press enter, then press Ctrl+X. Then proceed to run the command to set execute permissions on the script. And finally, I'll run the command /prometheus.sh. So as you can see, the script is now running and it will actually quickly download the Prometheus installation zip file. It will actually automatically extract the zip, and as you can see, the installation is now complete. So simply open up a new browser window and type in the IP address for the server, and then you need to append the port number 9090 at the end of the IP or URL. And as you can see, we've successfully logged into the Prometheus dashboard. We can actually see the graph tab, and if you go to status, you can actually view the runtime and build information. So from here, you can now use the system for your Prometheus related needs. You can also refer to the documentation for details on actually how to set up the system for your requirements. So that's been it, guys. That's a quick look at how you can set up Prometheus on Linux Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and please also share this video with your peers, colleagues, and friends. I hope this tutorial has been informative, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.